to block sites that you don't want. So here, how do I do that? I'll click on access restriction, then I'll go straight to internet access. The first thing I'm going to do will be to type in the name for my policy. So I'll type blocking bad sites, or you can choose any other thing that you want. Then here I'm going to allow internet access so that it won't affect those that the sites that I want to whitelist or made available to my clients. Then I want this to happen every day. I can also specify the time. Do you want it available for 24 hours or for specific time? You can do that. Then you can specifically block services, like if I don't want Telnet or FTP or HTTP, I will just define them here, and the system will block all that. So, but in this particular example, I'm going to choose none. Then I'll go straight to where I have the website blocking by URL addresses. Here I'm going to specify all the sites that I want to block. By default here, I want to block www.4chain.org and youtube.com. I can also add Facebook to the list. Then the next thing will be to specifically define the keywords that you want the system to completely block whenever it comes across them, like Node, YouTube, maybe Facebook. You can list as many as you want. And once you're through with this, the next thing will be to save this configuration. So once this is saved, your Linksys router will automatically start blocking those sites based on the policy that you choose. So let's see if these sites will open. So I'll open to my browser, then I'll type www.4chain.org, enter. You can see this is blocked. Then I'll open to YouTube, www.youtube.com. That's youtube.com. So let's see if that will load. It's trying to load. So nothing is responding here. Then I'll also try facebook.com. So facebook.com, let's see if we can navigate. Now something you have to watch out for is that most of these sites have dynamic IP addresses. So as you're blocking a particular IP, some other new IPs are generated. 4chan.org isn't loading. So that's how you can block your website using your Linksys router. Thank you.